my opinion, video games can be both good and bad. On the plus side, video games teach us how to do things. They can teach math, science, geography, and much more. They also help us use our imaginations. On the negative side, video games can be bad for our health. When we play these games, we sit inside, we don't get a lot of exercise or fresh air. In addition, many games are violent. They have a lot of killing. They make it look fun to fight and use guns. They show blood and death. These are not healthy things for us to see or think about. However, when you really think about it, video games are not the only violent things we have in our lives. There are many violent books, movies, and television shows. Plus, sometimes fighting games can be useful. They can help people think and react quickly. There are many pros and cons for video games. In the end, they are just games, and I think that is the most important thing to remember. If we like video games, we should play them and have fun, but we shouldn't play them too often. We should spend our free time doing many different things. Video games can be both good and bad. We should play them responsibly.